Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live near downtown. I live near downtown. How old are you? How old are you? I am 30 years old. I'm 30 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I'm a student. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I work in an office. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at a company. I work at a company. I work from home. I work from home. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. No, I am single. No, I'm single. Do you have children? Do you have children? Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, I have 2 kids. No, I don't have children. No, I don't have children. What is your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is... My phone number is... What is your email? What's your email? My email is... My email is... What do you like? What do you like? I like music. I like music. I like movies. I like movies. I like learning English. I like learning English. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I watch movies. I watch movies. I listen to music. I listen to music. I read books. I read books. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee. No, I don't like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. No, I don't. No, I don't. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 7:30. It's 7:30. What day is today? What day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am working. I'm working. I am studying. I'm studying. I'm resting. I'm resting. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to work. I'm going to work. I am going home. I'm going home. Can I join you? Can I join you? Sure. Sure. Of course. Of course. Let us go. Let's go. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Just a second. Just a second. One moment, please. One moment, please. That sounds good. That sounds good. That sounds great. That sounds great. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you next time. See you next time. What is your job? What's your job? I am looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. I work part-time. I work part-time. I work full-time. I work full-time. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. Yes, I like my job. No, I don't like my job. No, I don't like my job. I want to change my job. I want to change my job. I am busy today. I'm busy today. I am free now. I'm free now. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where do you live? I live near downtown. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. Where do you work? I work at a company. I work from home. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. No, I'm single. Do you have children? Yes, I have 2 kids. No, I don't have children. What's your phone number? My phone number is... What's your email? My email is... What do you like? I like music. I like movies. I like learning English. What do you do in your free time? I watch movies. I listen to music. I read books. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Do you like tea? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 7:30. What day is today? Today is Monday. What are you doing? I'm working. I'm studying. I'm resting. Where are you going? I'm going to work. I'm going home. Can I join you? Sure. Of course. Let's go. Wait a moment. Just a second. One moment, please. That sounds good. That sounds great. See you tomorrow. See you next time. What's your job? I'm looking for a job. I work part-time. I work full-time. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. No, I don't like my job. I'm busy today. I'm free now.